Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting real data. Record when you fall asleep, when you wake, plus naps and disturbances for 2-4 weeks. You do this to capture natural variation and identify patterns. Once done, average nightly total sleep and note weekday versus weekend differences. Make sure to log caffeine, alcohol, shift work, and stress. They change need and quality. This baseline tells you whether current hours are sufficient or if you're masking debt with naps or oversleeping on weekends. Now you run controlled trials. Pick a stable wake time and change time in bed by 15-30 minutes each week while tracking daytime function. You do this because sleep need shows in daytime alertness, not just hours in bed. Once done with each step, rate energy, focus, mood, and reaction times. Use a simple scale or phone tests. Make sure to allow 1-2 weeks for adaptation per setting. Self-reports plus objective tests reveal the sleep amount that supports peak daytime performance. Finally, choose the sleep duration that produced consistent daytime functioning and test it for 2-4 weeks to confirm. You do this to ensure the result isn't a transient improvement. Once done, optimize sleep quality, light, temperature, noise, and routines to make the hours restorative. If problems persist, troubleshoot by improving sleep hygiene or shifting timing. And if excessive sleepiness continues despite good habits, consult a clinician to rule out sleep disorders. Make sure to iterate until performance and mood stabilize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.